For the last video in this series, we visit the state that covers almost half of Australia and contains almost half of the earthquakes in Geoscience Australia's online catalogue, Western Australia. Mention a large magnitude 7 earthquake that occurred in 1906, and most seismologists will think of San Francisco and the devastating consequences that followed that magnitude 7.9 event. But did you know that in that very same year, Australia had its largest ever earthquake on record? That was a magnitude 7.8 earthquake 500 kilometres west of Exmouth. This is one of the largest earthquakes on record to have occurred within a tectonic plate. That is, not on or near a tectonic plate boundary. The next largest earthquakes in the state both had a magnitude of 6.6, with the most recent occurring near Broome just 5 years ago in July 2019. One of the most damaging earthquakes in the state's history was a magnitude 6.5 that destroyed the town of Meckering in 1968. A few locations in the state have had earthquake swarms in recent years. Swarms are when many earthquakes start to occur in a small area for a relatively brief period of time. This occurred in 2018 at Lake Muir and at Arthur River in 2022. The largest events in those sequences were around magnitude 5, and they occurred in a region that's known as the Southwest Seismic Zone. It's one of the two most active areas of the state, along with the northwest coast, which is near the tectonic plate boundary to the north. Thanks for joining me in this series, looking at a brief history of the earthquakes around Australia's states and territories. Please leave a comment with any suggestions of other content you'd like to see, and follow this account to see more posts and videos each week.